honestly don't think this is that crazy. That collagen. Water is important. Yeehaw, giddy up. Let's go, let's ride. Ladybird 24 was an idea I thought about doing when I wanted to run for 100 miles.
Yeah, Puppy no like these shoes. Puppy no like these shoes for now.
I wanted to challenge myself by running as far as I could for as long as I could, and I thought the idea of doing 24 hours was fun and exciting.
Hell yeah.
There's plenty of people that would probably shoot this idea down or say that it's crazy.
So it's a documentary on him running 24 hours. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Absolutely insane. Couldn't fathom that.
Ladybird Lake Trail,
yeah.
24 hours?
Yes.
Wow.
I just enjoy it so much that I guess I would run 100 miles.
Copy.
Running 100 miles is just like the stepping stones for me.
Oh, we're walking a little bit.
My name is Andy Meza, and this is Ladybird 24. Ladybird Lake is center to all my runs. That trail is what led me to meet all the cool people that we've met. People of run clubs or friends of friends. No better place to bring the community back to where it started.
Let's start this.
How are you doing right now?
Pretty good. 1 down, 23 to go.
There's 2 laps. Hell yeah.
We saw every type of creature that was.
Yes, we saw a fucking snake.
No. We saw a snake in front of us,
snake.
frogs, bugs,
like
a
this
raccoon. I like to have the raw milk on each lap.
What?
Because it's like super nutritious.
That's the homie.
He's the homie. You could do this to my butt cheek and I just...
My knee, I started feeling it right at the start of the 3rd lap. That wasn't fun.
It's bugging?
It being humid in the bulk of the summer in Texas, none of that KT tape was staying. Luckily, some people had a sleeve and someone else had a knee brace. Unfortunately, I kept a knee brace for, you know, the next 18 hours or so.
Oh yeah, man.
Plenty more to go.
Where's the charger at home?
I don't know, it would be Hector's. Ah, damn it, I should have fucking given the tour to someone.
Something was gonna go wrong and none of us knew what it was gonna be. The last thing that we thought it was gonna be was the watch.
I definitely had the cord. God damn it, I could already see my fucking knee.
We were at 6% left and none of us could really find the charger. Not the best since I had started everything on that watch, but we kept going and I just kind of put trust into the crew that we would get a charger in my hands.
I just biked, I don't know, 4 miles. Andy needed a charger.
Keeping it rolling. Holly came to the rescue on a bike. We made it happen and it was a group effort.
Yeah, Andy, keep it up, keep it up.
40 fucking miles.
I need to get calories quick. Oh my God, that's the best thing you've made for mankind.
Thank you, Jesus Lord.
That water comes from the lake though.
I don't care if
Is
it
that
comes
true?
from freaking sewage. It smells so good. Copy. Big Cock and Little Fry coming in. I'm Big Cock if no one got that reference. Quinn is Little Fry.
What do you say? He said fucking with the radio. Someone's on the same channel.
You need to find a new channel.
Sorry.
All right, here we go on lap number 5. Let's go get them, guys.
The most fun lap I had was when I picked up the pace. And it's funny because I was just about shy of 50 miles.
Almost halfway, over 50 miles in. We're still cruising. Picked up a few more folks, found them randomly on the trail.
It was exactly what everyone gets into running for. That euphoric flow state that you get into when everything is connecting. I was feeling on top of the world.
Sit down, baby. Plenty more to come. I was cooking. That was the last cooking what I needed to do. Yeah, Puppy no like these shoes. Puppy no like these shoes for now. I'm switching into the A6 Gel Nimbus. We just hit the 12-hour mark. We're 12 hours.
Halfway.
I just gotta do whatever I just did one more time.
Yep.
Which, if you just look at it, 1 + 1 doesn't seem that much. See you guys at 7. Oh, we're walking a little bit. I will say it's starting to get to that point where like solid food, not the best.
All right. 7 down.
Once it hit about 12, the last 6 to 7 hours, it was a fight against the weather. We're definitely high 90s with a lot of humidity. Dew point was, 70, 80 plus. Trying to just get as much calories in, try to get as much water.
I feel good. It's just hot. Hot. I feel good. I feel exactly what you think 70 miles feels like.
But that wasn't stopping us. We were already too far into it. We just rolled with the punches.
Let's get this 80 done with.
My mental state was good. We were rocking and rolling. It was just, man, it was hot. It was like a blanket of sweat on you the entire time. The shade was not helping.
Where we at? How you feeling?
Man, it's just hot, so we're feeling good. We're on a good pace. We need about 4 hours, so.
Absolutely crushing it. Let's go.
I took 2 showers. Those were the best things.
Nice and cold.
Just to beat the heat, get out of the heat for a little bit, bring my body temperature back down. Yeah, shout out Austin for putting that where we needed to.
All right, going for 9.
9 laps down.
Laps 9 and 10 were the worst because it was the hottest. I just wanted to be done with it.
Lap number 10.
Last one.
Let's go, buddy. Fucking killing it. You got it, dude.
Thank you.
Keep fighting.
My body was starting to feel the pain. It was rough. I didn't really want to say anything. It was like the moments where I just wanted to tuck myself away, and that's basically what I did. Taking step by step just to get closer to the finish line. "24 hours just went by really quickly, but that 1 second after felt like a lifetime. I had crossed 100 at like 22:40, and my goal wasn't just the 100, but to go for 24 hours. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna kind of like walk and move for the next hour. I just like limped around. Every minute felt like forever. I was like, man, I only have an hour left, but this is the longest hour. Yeah, it was cool. It's like a memory I just want to save on a hard drive forever. This ultra endurance sport, running for long periods of time, all of this really is a team sport. Super thankful to the guys I live with, to the friends I've been able to make, and to the community that continues to push me to do these crazy things. This is not the end, this is just the beginning, and we'll see where we go from this, right? Yeah.